Hi guys, welcome to Nacha Tech Academy. My name is Lokesh. In this video we'll see how to prepare a chart. Okay, we're gonna see a lot of different type of charts in the subsequent videos. But in this video we're gonna see how to prepare a chart. Now we have this small data, we have months and the sales of product A, B and C in these concerned months. Now the best way, the shortest way to create a chart is just select the data you have and press F11. You can see I've just pressed F11 and this sheet it's been came up. So this is a chart sheet after creating that thing, and you can see there's no cells in this particular sheet. If you just take a printout of this particular sheet, you will have a chart over here only. And there is one more option we have, which is move chart. With the help of this move chart, we can move it to the object, and we can object in actually. What I wanted to convey to you is that there are two types of charts. The first is a chart sheet, and the second one is a an embedded chart. A chart sheet is this one, and then embedded chart is like if you object in a particular chart. Let's say if I just object into a chart sheet, there's one sheet is showing apart from this chart sheet. If you have multiple sheet, this contains a lot of sheets. So if I just press OK, see this, now the chart sheet is gone. You can see the chart sheet is gone. Now only one, the chart is is converted over here. So this is the way we can create a chart. This is by just selecting it and pressing F11. That is the one way. The other way is that if I delete it, let's say, and if I again select this and insert and go to this chart section, and these are the most popular way, and if you don't find anything in between, you can just go to the other charts and select from here. Otherwise, if I just click over here, and you can see this is the chart sheet. There's a chart. So that's it about how to prepare a chart. We'll see some more option in the subsequent videos. Till then, take care, and if you want to buy the whole package of the DVD tutorial, you can just visit to this particular site and buy the same. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, take care.